Alright everybody, this is room 1312. This is a junior suite on Freedom of the Seas. Basically a freedom class. It's a relatively spacious room. You have a lot of space in here. It's a one bedroom. You have a couch. You have a comfortable sofa. Special coffee maker, a lot of drawers that you can use to store things. You have a fairly nice, almost walk-in closet. It allows you to have a lot of space in there. This is the bathroom. One of the differences between the junior suite and the other type of suites, like the owner suites and above, is that you don't necessarily get the amenities you need. Some special type of shampoo, the junior suite allows you to have priority boarding, but it doesn't have access to the suite lounge, just like the other suites. If you want more information about the other suites, you might want to take a look at all the videos that we have. So, it's a nice balcony. We are on the port side. It's a very nice balcony. Short, small, but nice. We are facing the port of Miami here. And that's the beautiful city of Miami right now. Again, this is a very nice room. A one bedroom. This one is connected. So if you have a family, you want to have more space, you might want to consider having a connecting room.